Well, I want to take a few minutes to take you through the setup that I usually use for my recording. And this has been refined over the last couple of years. But I want to focus first on my homemade teleprompter. Okay, this is essentially a combination of actually a base, a piece of wood, some cloth, a couple other things, and a old Android tablet that I use, and it's got a free piece of Android prompter software on there that inverts the text, and then I can read off the screen. So this is actually a very, very simple setup. I have a piece of wood, plywood, just simple cloth with some Velcro. The reason that we have this cloth is that you want to have a bit of darkness so that the text comes through quite clearly on the screen. And then the cardboard was actually to prevent the cloth from actually interfering with the reading of the screen. The base right here, this base setup, picked it off the internet. It is, I can't remember the name of the company. I'll actually take a look at the name, but it's a simple base. It's probably $20 or $30 on Amazon. And I simply used a piece of 1/2-inch plywood as a foundation. This setup right here, this comes from a simple plastic picture frame. That's all it is, plastic picture frame, couple of hinges on the bottom, couple of pieces of hanger that I cut off, and actually no, these are spokes. My boy, you know what my boys do, they race downhill mountain bikes, so I'm always using, there's always spokes or spare spokes around. So this is the teleprompter setup. Makes life a lot easier. Okay, Manfrotto Tripod works quite well. My older son Levi is going to scoot right by here in the frame. Say hello, Levi. Because you know, my studio is here at home. This is my home. This is our living room, right? So Manfrotto Tripod, it's got a really cool head on it that allows you to actually pan very, very easily. It is a movie head. So Manfrotto makes wonderful tripods, very, very stable. Again, picked this up used off the internet. I think it was a Craigslist find. You know, these are usually $300-400 new, and I think I got it for less than $100.